Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off red receipts on Facebook Messenger. If you ever feel pressured to reply just because someone saw that scene status, good news, you can actually take control of your privacy on Messenger. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off red receipts so people won't know when you've read their messages. So start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on Menu at the bottom right. Now in here, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll down and look for Read Receipts, then tap on it. If it's turned on, just toggle it off, just like that. And once it's off, people won't see when you've read their messages, but you also won't see when they've read yours. So it's a fair trade, right? Now, this setting applies to all chats, not just one person, and some older versions of Messenger may not show this option yet. If you still see seen, try updating the app. If you don't have the feature, turn on airplane mode before opening messages, read the message, or close the app completely before going back online. Now, that's it. You now have more control over your privacy on Messenger. Now, for another way, you can also open a conversation, tap on that person's name, scroll down, and in here you will see red receipts. Just tap on that. And if it's gray, that means it's turned off. If it's blue, that means it's turned on. So just toggle it off, just like that. And that's it.